all vital signs are optimal for the morning collection.
The protein levels in this batch are exceptionally high today.
Yeah. Consistency is within 0.1% of the target. Proceed to the next phase. This selection is ready for the European market.
Compliance confirmed. Dispatch all units.
Another perfect cycle completed.
You have had a productive day, old friend.
Initiating the midnight pasteurization sequence.
The herd data is synced. The milk quality is at its peak.
Humidity is holding at exactly 85%, perfect for the crust.
All labels verified. The shipment is ready for departure.
Precision in every step. That is how we lead the market.
System online. Let's begin the morning sweep.
Calibration sequence initiated for VAT7.
This is the fresh yield from the North Paddock. Rack 42 is ready for the new batch.
Internal structure is flawless. The aging process is complete.
Everything is in order for the morning departure.
From pasture to plate, we have done well today. Temperature rising, increasing ventilation to keep the herd comfortable.
I am refining the culture ratios for the afternoon batch.
The fat content is perfectly aligned with the fermentation curve.
The salt migration is deep and even. This wheel will be exceptional. Okay.
The seal is absolute. Ready for the compliance labeling.
Every unit is now fully certified for export.
technology and nature in perfect balance. This is the future of dairy.
The midnight export route is locked. Every pallet is accounted for.
Nutrients adjusted for the overnight rest. Sleep well.
Enzymatic activity is exactly where it needs to be for the curdling stage.
Climate sensors are synced. The maturation environment is stable for the night. Dispatch authorized. The morning shipment is officially on its way.
Excellence preserved. We go again at dawn.
Morning sequence initiated. Let's see how the overnight data looks.
System check complete. Vats are sterile and ready for the morning yield.
The protein levels in the fresh milk are at an all-time high this morning.
Rackforten is ready. The rind texture is perfect.
The morning export batch is on the line. Let's maintain the quality standard.
Another batch, another promise of quality kept. The cycle continues.
The logistics flow is ahead of schedule. We should prepare the next batch for fermentation. Initiating sterilization cycle for vat 3. We need absolute purity for this batch.
The somatic cell counts are perfect. This milk is ready for the starter. The climate control is maintaining 85% humidity. Perfect conditions.
We are ready to label the premium selection for the international market.
This is where it starts. With health comes quality.
Thermal regulation is active. The indoor temperature is holding at a steady 20 degrees.
The collection from the south pasture is starting. Fat content is looking excellent.
We need to select the wheels from the 12-month reserve for the Brussels order.
The The first 5 pallets are ready for the compliance scan.
Vital signs remain optimal. The herd is thriving in this weather. From pasture to pallet, this is how we lead the market. Initiating night cycle protocols. All systems are nominal.
Fermentation is progressing exactly as modeled. The enzyme balance is perfect.
The texture density has reached prime grade. We can move these to packaging in the morning.
Every unit is now fully certified for the European market. Good work.
From pasture to pallet, the cycle remains unbroken.